Have you ever been at the airport, standing in line, and suddenly your mind goes blank? The officer asks you a question and you think, oh no, English.
Yes. Your heart beats fast, your hands get sweaty, and all the English you studied just disappears.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now it's time to board the plane.
You may hear, "We are now boarding Group B."
Or, may I see your boarding pass?
You can answer, "Yes, here you are."
Same phrase as before. Easy to remember.
Once you're on the plane, you might talk to the flight attendants.
For example, can I have some water, please?
Or, "Can I have a blanket?"
Very polite. Very common.
"Excuse me, can I have some water, please?"
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, an important part, immigration.
The officer may ask, what is the purpose of your visit?
Purpose means reason.
You can say, I'm here for vacation, or I'm here for work, or I'm here to study.
Another common question, how long will you stay?
You can answer, for 1 week, or for 2 months.
Try to answer, why are you visiting? After landing, you go to baggage claim.
If there's a problem, you can say, my bag didn't arrive.
Or, my suitcase is damaged.
Airport staff are there to help. Don't be afraid to speak.
Sometimes people make small talk.
Like this.